In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an offer in Gohighlevel. To get started, log into Gohighlevel and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're inside the platform, look over to the left-hand side of the screen because that's where you'll find the main navigation menu used to access different sections of your account. From that left side menu, click on Memberships. This area is where Gohighlevel organizes content-related assets, including courses, products, and the offers connected to them. After you open memberships, move your attention to the top menu and click on courses. This will take you into the course management area where you can control the learning products and access options tied to your membership content. Once you're in the courses section, select offers. This is the specific area where you create and manage the offers that people will use to access your products. Think of an offer as the setup that connects a product to a pricing or access structure. Now go to the top right corner of the page and click on Create Offer. This opens the offer creation form, where you'll enter the key details needed to build your new offer. First, add a title. Choose a clear and descriptive name so it's easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to create multiple offers for different products, pricing models, or promotions. A simple naming structure can help keep everything organized. Next, select the products you want included in this offer. This step is important because it determines what the customer will actually gain access to after purchasing or redeeming the offer. Be sure you choose the correct product before moving on. After that, select the type. This defines how the offer is structured, so take a moment to choose the option that best matches the way you want this offer to function. Even if you're creating something simple, it's worth double checking this setting to avoid having to edit it later. You'll also see a field for price text override. This gives you the option to customize how the price is displayed. It can be useful if you want the wording to appear more clearly or match the style of your offer page. If needed, enter the custom price text here. Once everything looks good, click Save. That will create your offer and store it in the offer section for future use. And that's it. You've successfully created an offer in Gohighlevel. If you're setting up multiple offers, take an extra moment to review the title, product selection, and type before saving so everything stays accurate and organized.